Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can go to your PC setting. So I'm going to show you three ways where you can go to your PC setting. First, in search area, you can see in here, simply search setting. So you can see settings. I can easily open setting from here. The another way is go to your start menu. Here you can see this icon. Select this and you can easily open your setting. And third, you can also open your setting with a run. So press Windows R to open your run. Here you need to write this command ms settings. You need to write this and click on enter. Here you can also enable your setting. With run you can also open your settings. Simply click Windows plus R and here write this command ms settings. Write this command and click on OK. So you can easily open your setting with run. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.